Good morning, students. Exercise 13.3, class 9th. Question number 6th. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter. The base diameter and slant height. First, we given slant height. Slant height is 25 meter. This is a slant height. This is a 25 meter. And the base diameter, second is base diameter is 14 meter. This is a 14 meter. Okay. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. First we find the curved surface area. So curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL is equal to 22 upon 7. Radius will be diameter is equal to 14 meter. Therefore, radius is equal to half of the diameter is equal to 7 meter. 7 into L will be, this is a L, slant height will be 25 meter. 7 cancel, 550 meter square. Okay. Second, we find the cost. The rate will be 100 meter square for rupees 210. The cost of cost of 100 meter square is equal to rupees 210. Therefore, cost of 550 meter square is equal to 210 upon 100 into 550. 0 से 0 cancel. 55 into 21. 1155 rupees 1155. वापस देख लीजिए. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. This is a shape. This is a shape of a cone. The slant height will be this. This is 25 meter. The symbol of slant height will be small l. The diameter, base diameter will be 14 meter. The radius will be half of the diameter is equal to 7 meter. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. The value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Radius is equal to 7 into L is equal to 25. Therefore, 550 meter square. Cost of 100 meter square is equal to rupees 210. So, cost of 550 meter square is equal to 210 upon 100 is equal to rupees 1155. Okay. Next question देखिए. Seventh question is, a joker's cape is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius 7 cm and height will be 24 cm. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such cape. First we find the area of one cape. Therefore, curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. This is the shape of a joker's cape. Okay. The given is the right circular cone of base radius will be 7 centimeter and height will be 24 centimeter. 24 centimeter. First we find the slant height. In the given question, the curved surface area of the cape will be pi RL. क्योंकि curved surface area of cone क्या होता है? Is equal to pi RL. First we find the slant height. तो L is equal to अंडर रूट में R square plus H square. तो L is equal to root R square. Radius will be 7 square. Height will be 24 square. तो L is equal to 49 plus 576. तो L is equal to root 625. तो L is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. Therefore, slant height of the cone. The curved surface area of cone, that is area of one cap is equal to 22 upon 7. Radius will be 7 and L will be 25, 25, 25 cancel, 550 meter square. Find the sheet required to make such 10 such cap. Therefore, area of 10 caps is equal to 10 into 550 is equal to 5500 meter square. वापस देख लीजिए. A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone of base radius will be 7 cm, height will be 24 cm. The curved surface area of cone will be pi r. First we find the value of slant height. The L is equal to under root r square plus h square. In the case this question, radius will be 7 cm, height will be 24 cm. So L is equal to 49 plus 576. Therefore slant height will be 25 cm. First we find the area of one cap. One cap is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 25 is equal to 550 meter square. Second, we find the area of 10 cap is equal to 10 into 550 is equal to 5500 meter square. Okay. Question देखिए, 8th question. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made up of recycled cardboard. Each cone of base diameter of 40 centimeter and height will be 1 meter. This is the shape of the cone. The height will be 1 meter and by base diameter will be 40 centimeter. Okay. If the outer side of each cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all cones? How many cones? 50 hollow cones. The shape of one cone will be, this is a 1 meter height and diameter will be 40 centimeter. So diameter is equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore radius is equal to 20 centimeter. Radius is converted to meter to 20 upon 100 meter is equal to 0.2 meter. First we find the slant height. So L is equal to under root r square plus h square. So L is equal to root में r will be 0.2 square, height will be 1 square. L is equal to 0.04 plus 4 is equal to 1.04. So in the given question the hint will be 1.04 is equal to 1.02 meter. First we find the slant height of the cone. तो हमें area of one cone is equal to pi r l. The value of pi in this question given will be 3.14. Not use 22 upon 7. In the 22 upon 7 we can use, then for in the given question is not given in the value of pi. But some question has been given in the value of pi will be 3.4. Then the question used for value of pi will be equal to 3.14 and otherwise 22 upon 7. Not given, otherwise 22 upon 7 use. The radius will be pi is equal to 3.14 and the radius will be 0.2 and L slant height will be 1.02. Multiply these two, तो therefore आएगा इसके अंदर अपना 0.64056 मीटर स्क्वायर. देख लीजिए. When first in the given question the height and the base diameter, height will be meter and the base diameter will be centimeter. First we the converted diameter into the radius. Diameter is the half of the radius and centimeter is converted to the meter is equal to 20 upon 100. So radius is equal to 0.2 meter. And first we find the slant height of the cone, because in the area of cone is equal to pi rl. The slant height is equal to under root r square plus h square. The slant height will be 1.02 and the area of one cone is equal to 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02 is equal to 0.64056 meter square. So how many cones will be 50 hollow cone. कितने कौन है अपने पास में? 50 hollow cones. तो देखिए, तो area of 50. एक काम करो, फर्स्ट फाइंड द वन कोन. कॉस्ट ऑफ वन कोन इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ कितना है पर मीटर स्क्वायर. तो 1 मीटर स्क्वायर पे कितना लग रहा है बेटा? ₹12। तो अपना कितने एक वन कोन पे कितने मीटर स्क्वायर हुआ 0.6405 से। तो कॉस्ट ऑफ वन कोन इज इक्वल टू 0.64056 इंटू 12 कितना हो जाएगा 12। तो कितना आया मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए इसके अंदर, ये आएगा इसमें ₹768,672 ₹768,672। ओके देखो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ वन कोन। एरिया ऑफ वन कोन इज इक्वल टू 0.6056 मीटर स्क्वायर। कॉस्ट ऑफ वन कोन इज इक्वल टू 768,672 रुपीज़। तो हमने कितने कोन बेटा कितनी कॉस्ट निकाली 50 कोन की। तो कॉस्ट ऑफ 50 कोन इज इक्वल टू कॉस्ट ऑफ 50 कोन इज इक्वल टू ₹50 इंटू 768,672 इज इक्वल टू आएगा ₹384.84 ओके अप्रोक्सीमेटली 34 ओके। वापस देख लीजिए। फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ वन कोन इज इक्वल टू दिस। कॉस्ट ऑफ वन कोन इज इक्वल टू ₹12 पर मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ₹12। तो वन कोन इतने मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू इंटू 12 इज इक्वल टू 7.68672। द कॉस्ट ऑफ 50 कोन इज इक्वल टू 50 इंटू दिस इज इक्वल टू ₹384.84 ओके 34 अप्रोक्स। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज स्फेयर। Sphere is the just shape of ball. This is the shape of sphere. Sphere is the 3 dimension and the circle is 2 dimension. But in the shape of sphere will be just like a ball. Okay. तो sphere radius of the sphere is equal to r. तो surface area of sphere टोटल सरफेस एरिया बोलो चाहे कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया बोलो, स्फीयर का टोटल सरफेस एरिया कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया सेम होगा इज इक्वल टू 4πr²। एंड वॉल्यूम होगा स्फीयर का 4/3πr। टोटल सरफेस एरिया एंड कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया स्पेस का 4πr²। ठीक है। एंड वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल टू 4/3πr। द कर्व्ड स्फीयर we find curve the sphere, the again we shape is find this is a hemisphere। तो curved surface area of hemisphere 4 का हाफ कितना हो जाएगा 2πr²। बट टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमीस्फेयर इज इक्वल टू होगा 3πr²। because in the upper part in the sphere is all part will be the total part is blocked, but in the hemisphere upper part is the open, the curved surface area will be only for this part। okay, this is a 2πr²। but total surface area the upper part will be covered, so therefore this is a circle, the area of circle will be πr²। so 2πr² plus πr² is equal to 3πr²। okay, and volume is equal to 2/3πr³। वापस समझ लीजिए। in the sphere all part will be blocked, total part will be covered, therefore total surface area and curved surface area will be same is equal to 4πr² and volume is equal to 4/3πr²। we cut the sphere, hemisphere is made by hemisphere is found the volume curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2πr² because the half of the surface area is sphere is the surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area hemisphere, but the total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3πr², volume of hemisphere is equal to 2/3πr³। okay, देखिए find the surface area of sphere of radius 10.5 cm, 5.6 cm and 14 cm। तो surface area of sphere होता है is equal to 4πr² is equal to 422/7। in the given question radius will be 10.5 रेडियस का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल 10.5, 2 टाइम्स रेडियस। ओके, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, पॉइंट कैंसिल करेंगे, 10 10 7 and 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10, 5 3 is 15, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, 2 से 11 टाइम्स लट गया, तो कितना 11 to 22, 22 366, 66 एंड 21 1386, कितना है बेटा 1386 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चन है, सेम की सेम सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन के सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फेयर इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, 4 into 22/7. In the given question, the radius will be 5.6 into 5.6, 7 8 is 56.8 से मल्टीप्लाई, तो आएगा 394.24 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। ओके, थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज रेडियस विल बी 14 सेंटीमीटर, तो सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फेयर इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, 4 into 22/7. In the given question, radius will be 14 into 14, 7 2s are 14, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 176, 176 into 14 is equal to 2464 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। ओके, बिल्कुल सिंपल क्वेश्चन था, बस आपको वैल्यू ही पुट करनी थी। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखिए, सेकेंड। In the given question, second, find the surface area of sphere whose diameter, this is a diameter. The first question is equal to surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. But in the given question, this is a diameter. Diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. Radius is equal to half of the diameter is equal to 7/2 centimeter. So we put the radius will be 7/2. In the first question, diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. The radius will be the half of the diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. So therefore 4 into 22/7, radius will be 7. The radius की power will be 2, therefore 7 into 7, 7 से 7 cancel, 88, 88, 88 into 7, 616 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। ओके, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज इक्वल टू 21 सेंटीमीटर, तो रेडियस डायमीटर इज इक्वल टू 21 सेंटीमीटर, रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 21/2 सेंटीमीटर। तो देयरफॉर सरफेस एरिया ऑफ स्फेयर इज इक्वल टू 4 पाई आर स्क्वायर, देयरफॉर 4 into 22/7 into 21/2 into 21/2, 2 2s are 4, 7 3s are 21, 66 into 21 is equal to 1386 centimeter square. In the same is third question, the radius will be 3.5 centimeter, the diameter is equal to 3.5 centimeter, therefore radius is equal to 3.5/2, therefore surface area of sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, 4 into 22/7 is equal to 3.5/2 into 3.5/2, 2 is 4, 7 5 is 35, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10, 5 2 is 10 और 11 into 3.5, 5 38.5 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर। देख लीजिए, सेम की सेम क्वेश्चन था, यहाँ पर अपने को गिवन विल बी डायमीटर, radius will be the half of the diameter. Then first question, for diameter is equal to 14 centimeter, therefore radius is equal to 7. In the second question, diameter is equal to 21, so radius is equal to 21/2. And the third question, diameter is equal to 3.5, so radius is equal to 3.5/2. Okay. In this question, third question, find the total surface area of hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter. Use the value of pi is equal to 3.14. Since total surface area of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. 3, the value of the pi in the given question will be given is equal to 3.14 and radius will be 10, therefore 10 into 10, therefore 100 into 3.14 is equal to 314, so 628, 369, 928, चलती 42, 4 थी 12 सॉरी 942 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, वापस देख लीजिए अगेन द क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द टोटल सरफेस एरिया ऑफ हेमिस्फीयर ऑफ रेडियस 10 सेंटीमीटर इन द यूज द वैल्यू ऑफ पाई विल बी 3.14. टोटल सरफेस एरिया हेमिस्फीयर इज 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर. 3 into 3.14 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 3.14 is equal to 314. 314 into 3 is equal to 942 centimeter square. Okay. Fourth question. The radius of the spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface area of balloon in the two cases. First, the balloon radius will be, balloon is 7 centimeter. As air is being pumped into it, therefore balloon is increases. Therefore balloon will be increases. As the air is being into the pump in the balloon, therefore balloon is increases. The radius of this balloon is 14 centimeter. Find the ratio of the balloon in the two cases. Find the ratio of the surface area of balloon in the two cases. Therefore in the ratio of this balloon will be, this is the first balloon, this is a in the air big first the starting the radius of this balloon is 7 centimeter and air being pumped into this balloon, the balloon is increases. The radius of the balloon will be 14 centimeter. The ratio of the both two cases, this first case, this is a second case, so volume will be surface area of this case, first case is equal to 4 pi small r square, and the second case the radius will be capital R, small r is equal to 4 pi capital R square. So surface area 4 to 4 cancel, pi to pi cancel. The radius of in this case is equal to 7 into 7 into 7, and the second case the radius will be 14, so 14 into 14 sorry square है 7 into 7 14, 7 2 जा 14, 7 2 जा 14 is equal to 1/4 is equal to 1/4. वापस देख लीजिए. The radius of spherical balloon is increases from 7 to 14 as air is being pumped into it. Therefore balloon will be increases, therefore radius will be increases from 7 to 14 centimeter. Find the ratio of curved surface area of in two cases. The ratio of first case, the surface area of first case upon the surface area of second case. The surface area of first case the radius will be small r and the second case will be capital R. 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r. 4 to 4 cancel, pi se pi cancel. The radius of first case is equal to 7, 7 into 7. The second case is equal to 14, 14 into 14. 7 2 is 14, 7 2 is 14 is equal to 1/4 is equal to 1/4. Okay.